You walk into a room. Before you even open your mouth, bam! Everyone's already judged you. Not in 10 minutes, not even in one. I'm talking 7 seconds. That's faster than it takes to microwave a burrito. And the worst part? Most of the time, they're wrong. But those 7 seconds can decide if people see you as confident or awkward, trustworthy or shady, genius, or complete disaster. So today, we're breaking down the secret psychology of first impressions, how they actually work, why they matter way more than you think, and most importantly, how to hack them before they hack you. Here's the crazy part. Your brain doesn't wait for evidence. It takes a tiny slice of data, the way you walk, your face, your tone, and builds a full story about you. That person over there? They look smart. That one? Probably lazy. This one? Yeah, definitely steals off his snacks. All in 7 seconds. And the science says once people lock in that first impression, it's almost impossible to change their mind. So, if your brain is out here speed judging like it's on TikTok autoplay, how do you fight back? Better yet, how do you use it to your advantage? And that's where things get really interesting. First, the face test researchers found that in 7 seconds, people judge two things first. 1. Can I trust you? 2. Are you competent? That's it. Trust and competence. Everything else, likability, respect, authority, flows from those two snap calls. Think about it. Alex walks into a room with a serious frown, avoids eye contact, and looks like he just woke up from a nap on the floor. Trust, 0. Competence, negative. But if Alex smiles, makes confident eye contact, and looks alert and engaged, suddenly, trust and competence unlocked. Next, body language. Psychologists call this thin slicing, our brain slicing a small sample of behavior and assuming it represents the whole person. Cross your arms? People read you as defensive. Slouch like Alex after binge-watching Netflix? People think lazy. Stand tall, open posture, head up? Confidence. Even if you secretly have no clue what's happening. Now, the close effect. Here's a fun one. Alex in pajamas? Looks like he just lost his Xbox. Alex in a jacket? Gives full CEO vibes. Same Alex, different outfit. Instantly, a whole new story. Finally, your voice. Total game changer. Studies show that speaking slightly slower with clear pauses makes people think you're more confident. Here's the lesson. You can't stop people from judging in 7 seconds, but you can control what story you hand them. Smile, trust, open posture, confidence, clothes, shortcut to credibility. Voice, authority. You're basically directing your own 7-second trailer. Action. So, is it the blooper reel or the blockbuster trailer? So next time you walk into a room, remember, the world is already rolling the trailer. Make sure they see the version of you that gets the sequel. And hey, if you want people to judge you as someone with amazing taste in videos, click that like and subscribe button. I mean, come on. That's an impression you want to leave.